Step into the 2012 Mazda 3. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include advanced frontal airbags, engine immobilizer anti-theft system, front side impact airbags, side impact air curtains, side impact door beams, 6-speaker audio system, auxiliary audio input jack, Bluetooth hands-free phone capability, dual-zone automatic climate control system and manual adjustable front seats. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.